The fallout continues after President Trump imposed sweeping import taxes on goods from around the globe. China is among the first nations to slap the U.S. with new retaliatory tariffs, and other nations, including allies Canada and the U.K., are pondering their next moves in the trade war. Investors are nervously watching the global markets a day after a huge drop on Wall Street, hoping stronger than expected March job numbers might stop some of the bleeding. NBC's Yamiche Alcindor has the latest from Washington.
For the second straight day, the Dow plummeted as nervous investors pulled out of the market and countries began retaliating for President Trump's tariffs. But still, the president's standing firm.
It's going to be a booming country, a very booming country. It's going to be amazing, actually.
Today, China hitting back, imposing its own 34% tariff on all U.S. goods shipped into that country. President Trump responding on social media saying China played it wrong. They panicked. On the flip side, Vietnam. In another post, the president saying the general secretary of that country told him he wants to cut Vietnam's tariff to zero.
Tariffs are highly likely to generate at least a temporary rise in inflation. It's also possible that the effects could be more persistent.
Fed Chair Jerome Powell signaling the central bank won't move on interest rates until it gets a clearer picture of the impact of the tariffs. But how long until that happens? The uncertainty bringing the market down. NBC's Christine Romans reporting from the stock market floor.
They don't know if this is President Trump negotiating with other countries or if these really will be baseline tariffs that stay on.
This all comes as Americans are caught in the middle of this growing trade war.
My wife already has actually started to sort of penny pinch, not buy, overbuy.
Experts say the tariffs could cost the average family at least $3,800 a year, with wages going down for lower income families and prices of everything from shoes to produce going up. And despite all of the fear and the worry, there was a bright spot today. The March jobs report came in at a higher number than expected. Employers added more than 280,000 jobs. Still, the unemployment rate did tick up a bit. Yamiche Alcindor, NBC News, Washington.